First, you'll need to download the app, come to me and get your device authorised, or get yourself a school camera or iPad if not using your own device. With regards to safeguarding, it's fully GDPR compliant, and as long as you record your evidence within the app when it's open, nothing will be stored on your phone. It all goes to the cloud. Log in with your B-Square details and a 4-digit PIN that you remember. This makes it quicker for getting in to take evidence for anything that happens spontaneously. This takes you to the main feed. Click the orange plus in the bottom right hand corner. Write a short comment about the work you're evidencing. If you're doing multiple students, it's worth copying and pasting the text to save your time. Use the correct symbol to take a photo, video, audio recording, or to access the EviSense gallery. Only photos taken within the app will appear in the gallery. Record your evidence the best way you see fit. There may be a slight delay at the end as it's uploaded to the cloud. You can then view the evidence and choose whether to use it or to retake. Your evidence will now appear next to the comment you made. Click Next in the top right hand corner. In future, parents will potentially be able to see anything their child is tagged in. This includes posts with multiple tagged pupils, meaning they could see other kids in the evidence. Please keep this in mind if you're taking photos or video of multiple students for evidence. Where it says Tag Students None, click. Start typing the pupil's name in the search bar. Once the name pops up underneath, please click to tag that student. If you've tagged the wrong student, simply click the X next to their initials to get rid of them. If you've got the right student, click the back arrow at the top left. You'll be sent to the previous screen where the tagged students will now appear. For the next step, click All Tagged Students under Assessment Links and Aspects. On the next screen, click the orange plus in the bottom right hand side. For the next few steps, you need to work through the options to find the outcomes you're looking for. Go through your curriculum, the different stages and levels to get where you need to be. When you've found your level and strand for your subject, click Assessment Point. Now see a list of all outcomes for that strand and level you've selected. It's worth noting that you can select between strands if you've got someone with a spiky profile or working between levels. These are your benchmarks and they're linked to connecting steps. Click all the ones that apply for your evidence. Once you've chosen all your outcomes, click Apply in the top right hand corner. This sends you back to the All Tagged Students page and the outcomes you've ticked will now be at the bottom. If you have any more to add for different levels or areas, repeat the process. Once you've selected all your outcomes, click the back arrow in the top left corner. You'll now go back to your main page and it will be populated with the evidence, your quote, tagged students and outcomes. Double check, and when you're happy it's alright, press the forward arrow on the top right hand side. Your post will now appear at the top of the feed and that's you done.